Are you ready for the next big thing in electric vehicles? Well, Kia has just given us a glimpse of what's coming next with their all-new Concept EV5. This stunning crossover SUV not only looks sleek and modern, but it's also packed with eco-friendly materials, cutting-edge technology, and an impressive range. And the best part? The production version will be hitting the market later this year, so you won't have to wait long to get your hands on it. Join me as we take a closer look at the Kia Concept EV5 and explore why this is the EV to watch out for in 2023. Kia has just teased us with a sneak peek of what's next in their all-electric lineup, the Concept EV5. This stylish crossover is a prelude to Kia's next dedicated EV model, and we won't have to wait long to see the final product. The Kia EV5 production car will be available for sale in China later this year. If you're a fan of the new Kia EV9 three-row electric SUV, you're sure to be just as impressed by its little brother, the EV5. With its blocky, modern styling, the EV5 shares its design language with the larger EV9 and gives us a glimpse of the production model that will soon be available for purchase. While Kia hasn't yet announced plans for the US market, we anticipate the EV5 will be available globally in the near future. While Kia has not provided many technical details or dimensions for the Concept EV5, we can deduce from the size of the recently unveiled Kia EV9 that the EV5 will likely be a medium-sized SUV, similar to the best-selling Sportage. The EV5 will provide a more practical experience than the lower-slung and sleeker EV6, which it may share a similar footprint with. However, Kia has made it clear that they are evolving their opposites united design language with the EV5, and some of the details on the concept are a departure from previous Kia EV designs. The production EV5 has the potential to make a major impact on Kia's future range. The electric version of the Sportage will offer a practical yet stylish option for those looking to make the switch to electric vehicles. With global availability a possibility, we can't wait to see the EV5 in action and experience Kia's commitment to the future of electric cars. Kia design boss Karim Habib has revealed that the Concept EV5 draws inspiration from the contrast and harmony between natural landscapes and man-made architecture. The brand's trademark digital tiger face has been updated for the EV5, featuring a new lighting signature that takes inspiration from constellations of stars. The signature lighting bends around the front apron and meets the squared off-wheel arches, before continuing on the slim rear-view cameras. The EV5's boxy and robust design theme is similar to that of the EV9, but with a more practical and compact size. The rear end features a squared-off lighting signature that wraps from the lower corners of the car around the back of the tailgate, similar to the EV6's rear lighting. The Concept is also equipped with large, 21-inch wheels and has an iceberg matte green paint finish, which Kia claims is a nod to natural hues. Kia's opposites united design language has evolved in the Concept EV5, combining natural elements and modern design cues to create a unique and futuristic look. The striking lighting signature and bold exterior design make the EV5 a standout in the crowded electric vehicle market. As Kia continues to push the boundaries of electric vehicle design, we can expect even more innovative and exciting concepts in the future. Given what we saw with the EV9, this concept appears to be reasonably close to production. However, the interior is still somewhat concept-like. Rear doors provide a wide opening to the cabin, which has 4 individual seats that swivel towards the outside, like on the production EV9. In the back, meanwhile, there is a 90s station wagon-style bench seat that emerges from the trunk floor, along with a picnic table, and faces rearward. Kia says that these features, in addition to a large panoramic sunroof, are intended to blur the line between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The interior color palette, meanwhile, has been designed to bring calmness to the occupants. A large panoramic touchscreen, on the other hand, is designed to impress tech-obsessed car buyers. Kia says it used a variety of eco-friendly materials inside the EV5, including seaweed extract and upcycled PET bottles on the seats, doors, dashboard, and headliner. It has also opted not to use any animal leather within the vehicle. This concept has an interior too. Key influences from the EV9 are found in the integration of the widescreen infotainment display and digital instrument panel, on top of a floating dashboard. There's a completely flat floor inside, maximizing the interior space on offer. Swivel seats, like those in the production EV9, have made the cut. They allow occupants who enjoy the great outdoors to pull up, open the doors and take in the view uninterrupted, given that there's no B-pillar getting in the way. Similarly, the large glass panoramic roof with integrated solar panels is there to allow stargazing at night. As we said, no technical details on the EV5 concept are out yet, but we can safely assume that the car will be underpinned by the 800-volt electrified eGMP platform used under a growing number of bespoke, all-electric Kias and Hyundais. A maximum battery size of 77 kilowatt-hours would give the production model a range in excess of 300 miles. More details regarding the Kia Concept EV5, the production version, and European availability should be confirmed later in 2023, and with the promise of a range exceeding 300 miles, this electric crossover is sure to impress even the most discerning driver. Keep an eye out for more details regarding the production version and American and European availability, coming later this year. What do you think about the EV5? Leave your comment below. Give us a thumb up to help us get to more viewer and do not forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next